Alright, well, thanks for stopping by, guys. This is Chris on MTG's Cards and Reviews. Appreciate you taking the time out to check out this video here. I'm on several as we go ahead and open up a couple of Crimson Vow set boosters here and see if we can find some of our sought-after major hit cards. Alright, so start off with it. We got a token, so we know we're not getting. Well, hey. Okay, so we got a art card, but not just any art card. We've picked up a signed art card, and I'll show that guys to you. And of course, I look at it this way, and it will be good for me. And we'll flip that around here and edit and show you guys what it looks like. That is a very nice art card. It is the Cemetery Protector. Alright, got an island. Put that over there. Mind Leech Ghoul. Yeah, keep saying that, doesn't make it any less scarier. Doomed Dissenter, maybe he's the Doomed Dissenter. Gonna hook up with the Mind Leech Ghoul. A Diagraph Scavenger, and there's a pet for him. I've got Into the Night, a Lantern of the Lost, and we have Panicked Bystander, and then Foreboding Statue. We've got Unholy Efficient, or Efficient. Okay. We've got our Gluttonous Guest, and then we've got a rare. I've got Path of Peril. And we've got Frenzied Devils as our foil. And we've got basically that token. Human token. Alright. So, move on to our next pack here. Let's see what we can find in the next pack. Another human token. Alright, there's our art card, and our mountain is our land. We've got Nurturing Presence, Cradle of Safety, a Steelclad Spirit, Wonderlight Spirit. It goes with our other spirit there. Rendering Flame, Wandering Mind. Wandering Mind, okay. Blinding Geist, or Binding Geist. Weaver of Blossoms. A Blood Crazed Socialite. We've got a rare, we've got Dollhouse of Horrors, and then the Twin Blade Geist in foil, and then, as I mentioned, our human token. Okay. That does flip over though. As the Twin Blade Invocation. Next pack. Checking out. Alright. Well, I'm going to start off here with our art card. Okay, I think this is going to be Edgar Markov's Coffin. Alright, yeah. Give you guys the opportunity to check that a little closer. Of course, we'll dive into the art cards in a more extensive look though. And we've got a foil planes. Wow, that, I don't know if that's showing up on camera or not, people, but it is really definitely something to check out though. Alright, well, it'll slide out of my hand. We'll move on. Into the festivals. Lacerate Flesh, Flame Blessed Bolt, Circle of Confinement, the Darn Heart Geist. We've got the Weaver of Blossoms. We have a Bloodsworn Squire. And then we got the Belligerent Guest. And the Unholy Efficient. We get a rare. We've got the Mirror Hall Mimic. And then we got Fleeting Spirit in the back. And then our token. Okay. Oh, hey, thanks for joining, guys. Appreciate it. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned though. I'll be opening up more packs here as well though, and share those with you too. Appreciate you stopping by. Don't forget to ring the bell for notifications, and have a great day.